Welcome, we ensure a fair move-out inspection by comparing it with your original move-in report for a transparent process. We begin with the living room, checking floors, walls, and windows for damages beyond normal wear and tear, clean surfaces for a smooth inspection. In the kitchen, we review appliances and countertops. Thorough cleaning helps avoid unnecessary charges and protects your deposit. In the bedrooms, we only note new damages, clean all surfaces, and remove personal items to avoid extra charges. We check for cleanliness and maintenance issues in the bathroom, ensuring you're not charged for pre-existing conditions. We complete a final walkthrough to ensure accuracy and fairness, making the process seamless and ensuring timely deposit returns. At Tech Realty LLC, we guarantee on-time move-out charges, clear negotiations, and smooth deposit returns. Returning keys and access devices completes the process. Leaving the property in good condition ensures fair evaluation and maximizes your deposit return. Thank you for choosing Tech Realty LLC.